Hello all. Myself Chitranjan. I have started my dream career journey with commerce and IP with the guidance of Shiva Sir. He trained me very well and he trained me on every step of my career. I have completed my graduation in BCA and post graduation in computer. At last year, I have joined Shiva Concept Solutions as a full stack developer and intern too. Here I have learned data science, and along with that I have joined an industrial training course on Shiva Concept Solutions, where I can learn the full stack development of Microsoft technologies like SharePoint, Power Apps, Power Automate, and other tools also like Jira, Postman. And along with that, he trained me on some new technologies in the part of software development. After completion of industrial training, I got placed in Yash Technologies, and I am very thankful to Shiva Sir who helped me to get a dream job in IT. His experience is totally incredible and outstanding to me. So at last, I am very thankful to Shiva Sir. Thank you so much, Shiva Sir.